Today we are going to learn magic hexagons and special numbers or special words, also called as palindromes. Good morning, dear students. I, Parul Madam, welcome you all in the online mathematics class. Today we are going to continue lesson number 7. Can you see the pattern? Let's start. From my last video, we learned how to fill magic squares. They are called magic squares. Children, you know why? Because we are arranging the numbers in such a way that row wise, column wise and diagonal wise totals come the same. Today we are going to learn magic hexagons. Children, do you know what is an hexagon? Hexa means 6. So, a closed figure with 6 sides is called an hexagon. Now, let us see the magic of these hexagons. This is an hexagon. It has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 sides. Children, look at the patterns of numbers in an hexagon. Each side has 2 circles and 1 box. Look at the number 65 in the box. Now tell me, which are the 2 circles next to it? This both, right? Now multiply the numbers in these 2 circles. One is 5 and another is 13. 13 5s are give 65. So each box contains the number formed by multiplying the numbers in both the circles next to it. Now consider 70 written in this box. Which are the 2 circles next to this 70? This both. Okay? Now multiply the numbers in these 2 circles. One is 7 and another is 10. 7 tens are give 70. See here, these 2 circles are next to box containing 98. 14 sevens are gives 98. Then 14 fives are gives 70. 13 twos are gives 26. 10 twos are gives 20. So the numbers given in these boxes are multiplication of numbers present in circles next to it. Now consider this hexagon. Some numbers are missing. We have to fill them. 9. How much are 108? 9 12s are gives 108. So multiplication of these 2 circles give 108. That is 12 9s are or 9 12s are is 108. Now 9 11s are is 99. 11 6s are is 66. 6 17s are is 102. 17 sevens are is 119. 7 12s are is 84. So the number formed in the box will be multiplication of numbers in 2 circles next to it. Now consider this hexagon. Here also some numbers are missing. We have to find and fill them in circles and boxes. 8. How much are 104? 8 13s are 104. 13. How much are 78? 13 6 are 78. 6 4s are is 24. Now 4 how much are 64? 4 16s are 64. 16 8s are 128. 8 8s are is 64. Are they equal? Consider this first line. When we do 24 plus 19 plus 37, it gives the answer as 80. Even when these numbers are rearranged, that is 37 plus 24 plus 19, answer of this addition will also be 80. Now consider this second line. When we do 215 plus 120 plus 600, we get the answer as 935. Even when these three numbers are rearranged in any order, say 600 plus 215 plus 120 or 120 plus 600 plus 215 or 120 plus 215 plus 600, answer will be 935 only. Finally, even though the order of the numbers are changed, the sum remains the same. Now we will consider some examples based on this concept. 14 plus 34 plus 20. The answer obtained will be same as 34 plus 14 plus 20. Answer of 80 plus 42 plus 65 will be same as 65 plus 42 plus 80. When we add 200 plus 300 plus 400, we get the answer is 900. Now these three numbers, if we rearrange and add in this order, 300 plus 400 plus 200, still we get the answer as 900 only. Now let us consider one more example of our own. Say 10 plus 15 plus 20. The answer we get as 45. Now when we add 15, 20 and 10, we will get the same answer, that is 45 only. Even when two or more numbers are multiplied in any order, the answer always remains the same. Let us consider some examples. 48 multiplied by 13 is equal to 13 multiplied by 48. Check if it is true or not. Answer is yes, it is true. Since 48 13s are is 624 and 13 48s are is also 624. Now let us consider another example. 10 15s are is 150. Even 15 10s are is 150. So when we multiply numbers in any order, answer remains the same. Next example, 8 9s are is 72. Even 9 8s are is 72. Children, do you know some numbers are called special numbers? I am sure you will get surprised, isn't it? Yes, some numbers are called special numbers. Let us consider a number 121. When we read this number from left to right, we read as 121. Now suppose we read this number from right to left. Again this number will be read as 121, isn't it? Such numbers which reads the same even after reversing it is called a special number. For example, 656. Reverse is also 656. So it is a special number. Now 88. Reverse is also 88. So 88 is a special number. 999. Reverse is also 999. So 999 is called a special number. Even 545. Reverse of that is also 545. So 545 is called as a special number. Such special numbers are also called as palindromes. Special numbers or palindromes. Take a number, say 43, reverse it. It becomes 34. Now add both the numbers. 43 plus 34 gives 77. Reverse of 77 is also 77. So 77 is one such special number. Now let us consider another example. Say 48. Reverse the number. It becomes 84. Add 48 and 84. We get 132. Check the reverse of 132. It becomes 231. Both are not same. So 132 is not a special number. So now consider 132. Reverse it. It becomes 231. Add this both. We get 363. Now reverse this answer. So we again get 363 after reversing. So both are same. So 363 is a special number. Now practice exercise. Change the following numbers into special numbers. 28, 132 and 273. A. Given number is 28. Reverse it. It becomes 82. Add both of them. Total we get is 110. Now 110 is not a special number. So consider 110 now. Reverse it. So it becomes 0, 1, 1. Total it. So we get 121. Now reverse of 121 is also 121. So 121 is a special number. Now consider second example, 132. Reverse the number. We get 231. Add both the numbers. We get 363. Reverse of 363 is also 363. So 363 is a special number. Now consider the next number, that is 273. Reverse it. We get 372. Add both of them. We get the answer as 645. 645 is not a special number. So reverse it. So we get 546. Add both the numbers, 645 and 546. We get 1191. Even 1191 is not a special number. So we have to continue this process until we get a special number. Now see the difference of both the numbers. So 645 minus 546. We get the answer as 99. Yes, 99 is a special number. Children, have you noticed that some sentences are there that read same from left to right as well as from right to left? For example, no lemons, no melon. Now try to read from right to left. It will read the same, that is, no lemons, no melon. Now let us consider another example. Step not on pets. Now try to read this sentence from right to left. It will read same. Such words or numbers which read the same both ways, from left to right as well as from right to left, are called special words or numbers or palindromes. Now let us consider some other examples of palindromes. First one, we panic in a pew. Now try to read this sentence from right to left. It will read same. We panic in a pew. Next example is of never odd or even. Try to read this from right to left. It will read the same. That is never odd or even. Third sentence, was it a car or a cat I saw? Try to read from left to right. It will be read same only. Was it a car or a cat I saw? Now let us consider some palindrome words like level, madam, Malayalam. Such words will read same from left to right as well as from right to left. So today we learned magic hexagons and special words or numbers, that is palindromes. Hope to meet you in next online mathematics class. Thank you. Take care.